So currently I'm in this video I'm going to show you how to load our commercial washing machine. So here we have all linen. So we are feeding towels in our machine. So it's almost a 45 kg towel which has been weighed earlier, and we are going to feed in a washer. So our washing expert is feeding these all towels in machine. So during the feeding we have to take care of that thing that we can't feed in bulk. We have to feed separately one by one in machine. So it gives you a kind of free space for washing your linen properly, because if we will feed all the linens in bulk, so it will in it will face issue in motion of machine, because the linen can't rotate inside of machine completely in a free way. So we have to make it separate before feeding. So the main issue which we can face during the washing of linen in commercial machine is the final step of hydro. Sometimes it happen when the during the rotation of machine, when the washer is not able to make the proper balance, it goes under unbalance and machine start moving like zigzag movement. So for preventing from that, we have to make a feeding should be a very perfect way, because it is the main process which can rely ki machine will go on unbalanced or not. So currently it's about to complete. So this the washer here is a capacity of 45 kg. So all the 45 kg linen which has been weighed earlier is here. So it's about to full. After that the machine will be on, and this is automatic machine, so we don't need to put the manual chemical over here. The machine take chemicals, water level and temperature is previously set on in machine, which can further shows on that display. So and also chemical goes automatically inside of machine once we on the machine. There maybe depends upon the types of linen. There's how many steps we have to we need in program. So generally in bath linen it takes 45 to 50 minutes for washing these linens, and it comes out in with almost 30 to 70% moisture, which further goes to dryer. If there is a towel only, so it can be dry and fold, but when it comes to bed linen, we have to make it more almost 90% dry, rest 10% gone under the calendar process. So it's a last batch of linen which is about to finish. It will be done in the next 5 minutes, and look, for every linen we have to make it separate. We can't feed in bulk, as I previously mentioned that we can't feed in bulk. We have to separate the linen before feeding. So this is a very professional way of feeding a machine. So machine is about to full. So it's necessary when we are feeding the machine, it's necessary to understand the capacity of machine, because every machine have its own capacity. When we are feeding in a 45 kg of machine, it should be a 45 kg of soiled linen, which we can ganda linen. So we can feed 45 kg of soiled linen only. We can't feed 50 kg and 40 kg. For once it's good if you are feeding 40 kg or 50 kg, but in continuously feeding it can make issue with. So our machine is fully loaded. Now our operator is going to operate the program. So here is a list of program in which we will use the machine. Here we can see there is a bath linen, bed linen, spa linen. So according to that only we feed the machine. Okay, so it will be operated in bath linen. Okay, machine is started. Here we can see there is a steps: wash, spin, rinse, spin. So our all chemicals which will be feeded in wash 3 only. After that, rinse, 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 and in last rinse we will add some neutralizer which will further remove the all the bad smells of chemical, and linen comes in neutral state.